Welcome to this beautiful, spacious and inviting 4-bedroom, 2-bath home with open floor plan, located in the heart of Baldwin County in the city of Loxley. This thoughtfully designed home features a large open concept living room that flows seamlessly into the kitchen with island and dining area, perfect for everyday living and entertaining. The kitchen comes fully equipped with all appliances, including the refrigerator.Retreat to the spacious primary suite, complete with a luxurious ensuite bath featuring a walk-in shower, double vanity, separate water closet, and a generous walk-in closet.Step outside to enjoy your screened and back patio, facing east to take in peaceful sunrise views over the open field behind the home. The fenced backyard offers added privacy, ideal for relaxing or entertaining. You'll also enjoy the above-ground pool, great for cooling off on those warm Alabama days. Additional features include gold fortified construction, NO HOA Potential to assume a VA loan at 3%, buyer must qualify, attached double garage, built-in sprinkler system, privacy fencing and no rear neighbors with scenic field views conveniently located just minutes from I-10, making for an easy commute to Pensacola, Mobile, and the eastern shore of Mobile Bay. Plus, you're only a short drive to the beautiful beaches of Gulf Shores and Orange Beach. Enjoy access to a wide array of restaurants, shopping, and water activities nearby. This home combines comfort, convenience, and location, everything you need to enjoy life on the Gulf Coast. Buyer to verify all information during due diligence.